Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So let's talk about something a little bit more about Galaxy S25 Ultra. This has the One UI 7. We're gonna have a review about it for the newest features for 2025. Now, step one or the first, this is gonna be the first impression to design. So there is a refined aesthetics. The Galaxy S25 Ultra debut with a sleeker titanium frame. That means it's just like any iPhone sooner or later, and a matte glass back reducing fingerprints. So lighter build, despite housing top-tier hardware, the device feels noticeably lighter. Even though you have so much power in your hand, it is a little bit lighter. So there's a bump in the camera integration. A more seamless camera design blends into the chassis for a minimalist look. Now the second one is display enhancements. It has a 6.9 inches dynamic AMOLED or AMO LED. Two times Samsung delivers its brightest screen yet, peaking at 3000 nits. 120Hz adapted refresh rate, smooth scrolling with improved battery optimization. Vision Booster 2.0, that means it has invisibility under direct sunlight. Now for the camera, I like this part right here. It has a 200 megapixels main sensor Gen 3. It means there is a sharper detail with improved low light processing. There is also a new AI zoom engine, 5x to 10 times optical hybrid zoom produces cleaner distant shots. That's actually really good. So there's a video master mode. You can manual video settings for 8K to 30 FPS support and cinematic filters. I'm gonna say it again, this device supports 8K resolutions. That's really something. Now for the next one, we have performance and battery life. We have a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for Galaxy, custom optimized for Samsung, boosting speed and AI performance. You have a 12 gig or 16 gig RAM, efficient multitasking across apps and games. Again, that's going to be 12 gig and 16 gig depending on your variant of your phone. And that is almost as powerful as a computer. You also have a 550 mega ampere battery. That is going to be 45 watts fast charging with improved heat management. Another one is the One UI 7 features. It has smart suggestions widgets. It dynamically recommends apps, contacts, or tasks based on usage. It reads whatever you do and suggests for the things you want. So you also have a universal translator, real-time language translation across calls, messages, and apps. Now that's really amazing, especially for calls and messages. That's really something. You also have privacy-centered dashboard, easier control over permissions and data access. Battery health monitor tracks charging habits and offers suggestions to extend battery life. You also have connectivity and ecosystem. This is going to be Galaxy AI continually seamlessly transfers tasks between Galaxy devices. This is phone, tablet, watch, and PC. You also have Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth LE audio, faster, more stable connections. Samsung DeX 2.0. This is the desktop experience now supports wireless, dual monitors, and virtual desktops. Now, these are going to be my final thoughts for this one. The S25 Ultra is a powerful AI integrated flagship that pushes mobile innovation further. That's really good. You also have One UI 7 refines user experience while introducing futuristic tools. This is ideal for productivity seekers, content creators, and tech enthusiasts. Now that's going to be it. The Ultra 7 or S25 Ultra paired with One UI 7 redefines a smartphone, can do 2025, focusing on seamless AI integration, cutting edge hardware, and refined user control. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.